Welcome back to the channel. Yes, I do remember my YouTube password. So recently I went to China, specifically Chongqing and Chengdu, and I filmed the entire trip with the Insta360 Go Ultra, and it's my first time filming a vlog. So do let me know whether you like this kind of style of filming and editing. And I will be providing my review and impression of the Go Ultra at the end of each video. I filmed the entire thing in 4K 25. Why 25 frames specifically? Because we are in Asia, China, and I just don't want to deal with flickers, especially in a city full of lights like Chongqing. So yeah, enjoy!
我拍啊！大家好啊！我哋而家喺成都，我哋要去重慶咗。隔離。
係都係忙喎，俾個就落你。花撈啊，定係華撈？花撈定華撈？華撈啊！可以。我再這樣送過去。係咁嚟啊！係咁擁住你啊！
應該橋得到。
橋我本身啊，冇特登影橋啫，冇影人，全面蒙晒，我嘅頭片啫。看對方，看爸爸。看對方啊！靚。
没有，你也是游客。
我是游客。
我以为你是在家。
Good morning, it's day 2 here in Chongqing. I'm currently now at Xiahao Lane. And this is the audio straight out from the camera of the Go Ultra. We'll see how the camera performs in the next 7 days of my time here in China.
All alone, I'm with you, but it don't feel like I'm right at home. Overdue for peace of mind, this isn't love. If it was, then I might give in to my guilty conscience and be honest. Didn't mean for this to happen, but you on the spot, but you're no actor. Just keep my secret till the casket. Oh babe, I'm begging you, oh babe, do me a favor.
此时中华大地上经历了改天换地的巨变。经过3大战役之后，人民解放军势如破竹，迅速解放了大半个中国。临死前，妈妈，你扶我。一笔决议，绝对不能走漏半步。是。还有，水厂、电厂全都安装炸药，以物流优看。是。
Day and night, don't wake me if I
你叫你講，你叫你講，因為嚟㗎啦。
2 degrees Celsius now. I have to pull up and wear my glove. It's a nice place, but it's cold.有咖啡吗？
酱肉吗？
对，
要一个哈。
一个。謝謝。有少少重車感覺咯。而家落去咗我整一盒翻嚟，行翻上嚟啊！
3.5 days in Chongqing. My biggest impression on the Go Ultra is a unpopular opinion, and I kind of prefer the Go Ultra with pure video mode off rather than on. As you all know, pure video mode is to boost the low light, right? But while editing this video, I did notice that pure video footages tend to be a little bit more mushy. Yes, they did boost up more light. You do get brighter footages in exchange with a mushier footage. I rather have a slightly noisier footage than a mushier one, if that makes sense. The audio straight out of the camera is extremely good. The only thing not good about the audio is when the camera is on my chest, it seems to be struggling to pick up my voice above it. Like, my friend's voice is so much more clearer and crispier compared to mine when we are talking while the camera is on my chest. Other than that, I will leave all my final impression in part 2, where we travel to Chengdu. Stay tuned. I'll see you guys in the next one.